Right. Right, what I'm going to show you is ACADSYS Bonus Utility. This is only working for the AutoCAD full, all right, and also support part of LT function, all right. So you actually can download from this website, ACAD Passport. When you click this zip, you will getting this. It's a subfolder of this. As long as you just copy and then load this menu, right? If you want to know some of the point, the features, then make sure you do the path. And then there is also an installation menu for you to follow up. There's some movie. Okay, just go for the installation with me first. How to install the software. Okay, once you install, you will get two pull-down menu. Okay, so this is the tools. I'm going to go through all these tools under block reports. I will create this movie to two chapter or two portion. Okay, so we just go through the command one by one here. So I make the demo easy by you can download this drawing file full demo in the same folder. So there's a command called and copy. I think most of you are aware. So if you click on copy commands, okay, then if you just pick on the object in the block, or you can actually copy it out. Okay, it also can copy out the extractions. Okay. Second one, this can be a blocks or extraction when they remove the entity from the extraction or a block. So you tap remove. From block or choose the entity that you want to remove. Okay, just like that, enter. Okay, because this whole thing is actually a block. Block reports. Okay, sometimes we need the reports. If you are playing with the blocks, you want the report. Right? You can type block report command. Okay, what you can do is just type block report command. This text. Okay, then you specify all the block that you want to export out or certain block name. Okay, and you choose the table and the area all the where the block located, enter. It will show you this, right? Then you print it here. Okay. The text is too small, you can just type th, there is command, and then make it big. It's overlapping here, right? Just undo. Later we will cover this. Okay, right? So you also have the block position, right? Yeah. So they will create all the I want to know all the block called mm10. Okay. Alright, so the table I want to put it here, and then this you want to know, okay, the rectangle is the one that highlighted is the got 7. I know there is 7 here, so you will actually put a number 7 1 2 3 4 5 7 and this table here. Okay, it's too small. I have a tool called th. Select this text here and then pick the height of the text. You will see the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is all, yeah, depend on something. Right, block position, just show the number, same thing, just skip away. You also have a command like ptc, text sequential, if I want the numbering only, right, without any increment of with the text of 4. So I have 1 2 3 4. It's so small, so I can type ptc again. Okay, the height is become 100. Okay, same thing again, doing the same 1 2 3 4, this height of 100. Okay. So the height here is too small. There is a command called th. Just choose the thing, select the height. If this text, if I want funny text, different, I want AA in front with the followed by number, everything, I can have all this thing. Okay, so you have all the options. You also can have a TA, text align. Okay, sorry, type TA. Okay, if I have this number, it's not in sequence. I just choose the number 9. I can drag it, make it, adjust it, and same for the this side. Okay, TA. Okay, this one I can adjust it nicely. Right. Text to M text. You can type text to M text. This is a text, and this also M text. I want to join it up, become one text. So you can actually move it, become one, combine it to become text. Or you can use T to M, same function. more intelligent. This is text, this is text, this is okay. Okay, T to N. Okay, text, text, right? Text. If you pick on the place that you want, okay, just enter here. This text is joined. Easily adjust. Okay, so TH for the text, right? If you want to put A1, A2, A3, A4, the numbering here is ARTD. Okay, so make sure this is a start with maybe A or maybe B. Okay, number with 1. So this is a first box of P1, P2, P3. Okay, then P4 here, P5 here, P6 here. You will see the result. Something like this. Fill in the blank. So same for different way of direction. Move back. Get back. Move back is just like hide the object. Okay, just like MB. Pick on the object here. These two, I just want to hide. If I want to get back, I just type GB. I will choose back the what they do is actually move it to the layer called ZZ. Right. Get back and move it. Very powerful command. Sometimes the same layer, I just want to hide it. I just say get back or move it back. I don't want to see this through. So it's easy for me to work it out because all the yellow color is the same layer. Quick draw, QD. I use a lot. Okay, I pick on circle. It's actually I'm going to draw circle at the same layer of 5. If I pick on this magenta circle, Q draw again. Okay, I'm drawing another circle, but it's different layer. If I pick again, pick on the line, so QD. Pick on the line. Actually, I draw a line, a different layer. Or you pick on the text, I pick on the dimension. So you are a user, then you save a lot of time. Okay, how to draw it. Change selection. Tap CS. So it will select for you easily. Okay. CS will select all the endpoint. It can be line, spline, or line or art. But CSS will only select line and art only. Okay, so it's different. I prefer to use CSS4. Okay. So you type CSS4. Just choose one of the object. So this entity is stored inside. Only this green entity is selected. This line is not selected. No duplicate. No duplicate is this is allow duplicate object if you type NODUP. It's same like overkill, but this is more simple way, right? Selecting exactly same entity, only we deleted. Okay, deleted all the duplicate object overlapping here. I prefer these methods compared to overkill. My break is actually is an entity. Polyline, line, circle. If I want to break it all like trimming, but break the whole thing, just type my break. Okay, so make sure before you might break also don't forget to flatten your object. Okay, choose the number 1, right? Select the whole thing. Anything that you select is break. See the object is breaking, so it's easy for you. If you can explode it, then on the overlapping object, then you can do the cleaning. Okay, for me I will do explode. Okay, explode this whole object here. If I have overlapping, then I will actually delete the thing. Alright, so that's all. Stop for this one.